is my alarm ringing at 3 a.m.? This is cruel.
Emily, wake up. It's Sehri time. We need to eat before sunrise.
Sehri? What's Sehri? Jack, why are you eating in the middle of the night?
It's Ramadan, the holy month. Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset.
Oh, Ramadan. I've heard about it. So you eat before sunrise?
Yes, Sehri is the pre-dawn meal. We eat now, then fast all day until sunset.
All day? No food and no water?
Nothing. No food, no water, no drinks until Iftari at sunset.
That's like 14, 15 hours. How do you survive?
It's not easy, especially the first few days, but you get used to it.
So what's Iftari? When you break the fast?
Yes, at sunset we eat dates and drink water first, then a big meal.
Wow, this is fascinating. Can you tell me about your whole Ramadan routine?
Of course, from waking up at 3 a.m. for Sehri to the evening Iftari feast.
Hey everyone, welcome to Daily English Talks. I'm Emily.
And I'm Jack. Today we're talking about Ramadan routine.
Ramadan is the 9th month in the Islamic calendar, a holy month for Muslims worldwide.
Muslims fast during daylight hours, pray more, and focus on spirituality.
It's about self-discipline, patience, and gratitude.
And today I'm sharing my Ramadan routine from Sehri to Iftari.
If you want to learn about Ramadan and practice English, like this video.
And subscribe. We teach culture and English together.
All right, Jack, take me through your day, starting with 3 a.m. wake up?
Yes, let me tell you about the struggle of waking up at 3 a.m.
Okay, so the hardest part of Ramadan? Waking up at 3 a.m. for Sehri.
I can imagine. 3 a.m. is when I'm in my deepest sleep.
Exactly. The alarm goes off and my first thought is, why did I set this?
Do you hit snooze?
Sometimes. Then I panic because Sehri time is ending.
Curious. What time does Sehri end exactly?
About 30 minutes before sunrise, so around 4:30 or 5 a.m., depending on season.
So you only have like 1 hour to wake up and eat?
Yes, that's why oversleeping is dangerous. You might miss Sehri completely.
What happens if you miss it? Can you still fast?
You can still fast, but it's much harder without food in your stomach.
Oh no, so the pressure is real.
Very real. My family sets multiple alarms. Sometimes my mom calls everyone.
Your mom is the backup alarm.
Exactly. She doesn't let anyone oversleep.
How do you wake yourself up? Coffee?
I splash cold water on my face. Coffee comes during Sehri.
So what's the vibe at 3 a.m.? Is everyone grumpy?
First few days, yes. Everyone's half asleep, moving like zombies.
I can picture it. Sleepy families stumbling to the kitchen.
Exactly. Eyes barely open, yawning, but we're all together.
That actually sounds nice. Family time, even at 3 a.m.
It is. Despite being tired, it's a special bonding time.
Okay, so you're awake. What do you actually eat for Sehri?
It depends. Some days heavy meals, some days light.
What's a typical heavy Sehri?
Rice, chicken curry, eggs, bread, yogurt, fruits.
That's a lot of food, like a full dinner.
We need to. It has to keep us full for 14, 15 hours.
Oh, right. No eating until sunset.
Exactly. So we eat protein, carbs, everything.
What about water? Do you drink a lot?
Yes, water is super important. We drink as much as possible.
How much? Like, how many glasses?
At least 4 to 5 glasses during Sehri. Some people drink even more.
Doesn't that make you feel too full?
Sometimes yes, but dehydration is worse during fasting.
So you force yourself to drink.
Exactly, even if you're not thirsty.
Do you eat desserts at Sehri?
Sometimes. Dates are common. They give energy.
Dates. I've heard they're important in Ramadan.
Very important. Prophet Muhammad used to break his fast with dates.
Oh, so it's traditional and healthy.
Yes, natural sugar, fiber, nutrients, perfect for fasting.
What food should you avoid at Sehri?
Too salty foods. They make you super thirsty during the day.
Oh no, that would be torture.
Terrible. Also, avoid too much caffeine. It dehydrates you.
But you said you drink coffee.
Just 1 cup, not too much. Balance is key.
After eating at 4 a.m., do you go back to sleep?
That's the eternal question. Sleep or stay awake?
What do you do?
Depends on the day. If I have work, I sleep for 2 to 3 more hours.
So you wake at 3 a.m., eat, sleep again, then wake at 7 a.m. for work?
Exactly. It's a weird sleep schedule.
Doesn't that mess up your sleep quality?
Honestly, yes. The first week of Ramadan, I'm always tired.
That sounds really hard.
But your body adapts. After a few days, you get used to it.
What about weekends? Do you go back to sleep then?
Sometimes I stay awake, pray, read Quran, maybe watch something.
Is it productive time?
It can be. Some people say early morning is the most peaceful time.
No distractions. Everyone's sleeping.
Exactly. Perfect for reflection and prayer.
Do you feel hungry right after Sehri?
No. At first you're full. Hunger comes around noon.
Noon. That's when it gets hard.
Yes, midday is the toughest time.
That sounds really hard.
How do you distract yourself from hunger?
Keep busy. Work, read, talk to people. Don't think about food.
But that's all I would think about. First few days, same. But you learn to control it.
That's serious self-discipline.
That's the whole point of Ramadan, building self-control.
So noon to evening must be the hardest time.
The hardest, especially around 2 to 4 p.m.
Why that time specifically?
You're tired, hungry, thirsty, and Iftar is still hours away.
And you can't even drink water?
Not a drop. That's what makes it really challenging.
What if you're really thirsty, like your throat is dry?
You just bear it. Remind yourself it's temporary.
That takes incredible willpower.
It does, especially in summer when it's hot.
Oh no, hot weather makes it worse?
So much worse. You sweat, lose water, but can't drink.
That sounds brutal.
But that's why it's meaningful. Sacrifice has value.
You're training yourself to be patient.
Yes, and appreciating what you have.
Do you ever feel like giving up?
First few days, yes. But once you're in the routine, it's okay.
What do you do to pass the afternoon?
Work keeps me busy. If I'm home, I watch TV, read, nap.
You can nap while fasting?
Yes, actually helps. Time passes faster when sleeping.
Strategic napping. Smart.
Very smart. Many people do afternoon naps during Ramadan.
Okay, now let's talk about Iftar, the exciting part.
Yes, this is what we wait for all day.
What time is Iftar usually?
Depends on sunset, usually around 6, 7 p.m. Changes daily.
Curious, how do you know the exact time?
We check prayer times, or there's an app. Very precise.
An app? Technology helps with fasting.
Absolutely. There are many Ramadan apps now.
When do you start preparing Iftar food?
Around 4 to 5 p.m., my mom starts cooking.
Wait, your mom cooks while fasting?
Yes, she's amazing. Cooks delicious food while hungry.
That's superhero level. How does she do it?
I don't know. Love for family, dedication.
That's so beautiful.
The smell of cooking food while fasting is torture, though.
I bet. The smell must be tempting.
So tempting. You're starving and smelling biryani, samosas, pakoras.
Stop. You're making me hungry.
Imagine how we feel while fasting.
I can't even imagine.
The last 30 minutes before iftar are the longest.
Because you're so close, but not there yet.
Yes, watching the clock, counting minutes. Okay, the moment we've been waiting for, iftar time.
Tell me everything. What happens?
Everyone gathers at the table, food is ready, we're watching the clock.
And then?
The moment adhan sounds, we break our fast.
With dates and water, right?
Yes, exactly, following the Prophet's tradition.
How many dates do you eat?
Usually 3 or 5. Odd numbers are traditional.
Interesting. And then water?
Yes, the first sip of water after 15 hours is incredible.
I bet it must taste like heaven.
You appreciate water so much you never take it for granted again.
That's a powerful lesson.
Exactly, that's what Ramadan teaches.
After dates and water, then what?
Some people pray Maghrib first, then eat the big meal.
Or you eat immediately?
Depends. My family eats a little, prays, then eats more.
Curious. What's on the iftar table? What foods?
Samosas, pakoras, fruit chaat, dates, drinks, main course coming.
That sounds like a feast.
It is a feast. We cook special foods for iftar.
Do you eat slowly or eat everything quickly?
First day I eat too fast, then stomach hurts.
Oh, because your stomach isn't used to food.
Exactly. You're supposed to eat slowly, but hunger makes you forget.
After eating, what do you do in the evening?
Usually rest a bit. Let food digest.
Do you feel sleepy after eating?
So sleepy. Food coma is real after fasting.
Food coma. That's relatable.
But we can't sleep yet. There's Taraweeh prayer at night.
Taraweeh? What's that?
Special prayers only during Ramadan, at night, after Isha prayer.
How long do they take?
About 1 to 2 hours, sometimes longer.
That's long. After a full day of fasting?
Yes, but it's peaceful, spiritual time.
So Ramadan nights are active too.
Very active. Many people go to the mosque, pray together.
What if you don't go to mosque?
You can pray at home. Some people do that.
After prayers, then finally sleep?
Not yet. Some people eat again, light snack.
Again? After the big iftar?
Yes, because you won't eat again until Sehri at 3 a.m.
Oh, so it's like preparation for the next fast.
Exactly. Some people have fruits, milk, something light.
What time do you finally sleep?
Around 11 p.m. or midnight. Then wake at 3 a.m. again.
That's only 4 to 5 hours of sleep.
I know. Ramadan is exhausting, but rewarding.
We talked about food and routine, but what about the spiritual side?
That's actually the most important part.
Tell me more.
Ramadan isn't just about not eating. It's about spiritual growth.
How so?
We pray more, read Quran, give charity, be kinder to people.
Oh, so it's a complete transformation.
Exactly. Physical and spiritual discipline.
Do you read Quran every day?
Try to. Many people try to complete the whole Quran in Ramadan.
The whole book? That's a lot.
It's divided into 30 parts, 1 part per day.
Oh, that's smart. Manageable.
Yes, makes it achievable.
What about charity? How does that work?
We give more to poor people, donate food, help others.
That's beautiful. Sharing blessings.
Exactly. Ramadan teaches gratitude and generosity.
Do you feel different during Ramadan?
Yes, more calm, patient, grateful, connected to faith.
That's powerful.
It really is. It's a special month.
Okay, tell me some funny Ramadan moments.
Oh, there are many.
Share, I want to hear.
Okay, so one time I was so thirsty, I dreamed about drinking water.
A water dream.
I woke up panicking, thinking, did I drink water? Did I break my fast?
It was just a dream.
Yes, but those seconds of panic were real.
What else? Any food-related funny stories?
Oh, one time my friend was so hungry he was staring at food for 10 minutes before iftar.
Just staring?
Yes, like hypnotized, fork in hand, ready to attack.
That's hilarious.
And accidentally eating, that happens too.
Wait, people forget they're fasting?
Yes, especially first few days, habit is strong.
You reach for water and suddenly remember?
Exactly. Hand halfway to mouth, then, oh no, I'm fasting.
That must be frustrating.
Very, but also funny later.
To camera, anyone done this? Comment your funny Ramadan moments.
So, after a whole month of Ramadan, what do you learn?
So much. Patience, discipline, gratitude, empathy.
Empathy? How?
When you're hungry, you understand poor people who are hungry every day.
That's profound. Walking in their shoes.
Exactly. It makes you want to help more.
Do the habits continue after Ramadan?
Some do. You appreciate food and water more, waste less.
So the lessons stay with you.
Yes, that's the goal, to become better.
What did you learn today about Ramadan?
If you found this interesting, like and subscribe.
We teach about different cultures and English.
Thank you for learning with us.
To everyone celebrating Ramadan Mubarak.
May your fasts be easy and your prayers accepted.
Curious, Jack, are you ready for tomorrow's Sehri at 3 a.m.?
Oh, don't remind me. But yes, the struggle continues.
Good luck with that wake-up call.
Thanks, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone. Learn about different cultures.
Ramadan Mubarak to all. Bye.